Okay, this has been day 4. It's a scary run, but we're almost there.
He has his shirt off. He thinks he's hot. I'm the one wearing black.
Whatever. So far, we've only got a cup of water from some nice villagers, but it's not enough to survive. I hope we make it in there.
I see our house.
It's far, but I see it.
Come on, cross the street, brother.
This desert sucks.
It's 110 degrees out here. Literally, there's a fire, and it's bringing up the heat.
We are in Denver, Colorado. We just got out of the desert, and we're onto a long field. I hope we'll make it to my house sometime.
We don't need to go to your house. There's water fountains.
Oh my God, I see it.
We are saved.
Saved. If we make it there.
Yeah.
Okay. This is going to be a long journey, but once we get there, we will be victorious.
You gonna walk in your house like that, or put on your shirt?
I'm done. I can't take the heat.
Alright. We'll make another part once we are in the house.
No.
What?
We'll still be in the middle.
We'll still be outside then.
Bye-bye.